up the back side of the picture.
Okay, so we are continuing with part 2. We are trying to take the manifold cover off. We're having a little bit of difficulty. This is the schematic for the hot water, tankless hot water heater. So here we go. Over to the side, but
want to start top? And go like that?
Yeah. So we're going to take out all the screws because we're having a little difficulty. Hang on a second. Okay, so we're going to be removing all the screws on the manifold cover because we're having some difficulty getting the unit to release and figuring out what other additional screws are necessary. So according to the schematics, all of these screws either pertain to, screws are going in that jar, either pertain to the heat exchanger or the cover, manifold cover. So we're just going to remove them and see how that works.
You can hear them, they're inside. Did not lose any. This is not something where it's better put together without the screws, like a car might be. Most electronics, I find that they have more screws than what are necessary.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure these are all important, seeing how there's gas involved.
Gas and water.
Flame.
And flame. And hot water.
And maybe we don't need the whole thing out just to show them where it's leaking from.
Well, that would be really nice to see exactly right there. Boom.
Of course, we'd have to turn the water on to see where it's leaking from.
Not necessarily. They said that there should be green.
Okay.
Just like on the circuit board.
I haven't been looking at these are all the exact same size screws.
I would say they probably are. Pretty
Close
much.
enough.
One or two screws may have one extra thread on it. And that will make it a little bit easier taking all the screws off. And you can't be in question as to maybe this one, maybe that one.
Yeah, there's a lot of holes here. I hope we get the right one.
That's why we got it on video.
Back.
All right, now. Okay, we're going to pause here for a second to assess our situation here.
I'll push on this little spot here in and then pull forward with this.
Oh, look at that. The whole thing's moving.
There was another one here, another one here.
And one on the lower right.
And that one's already loose.
Let's see what we got. Looking better. Maybe not 100% better, but a little better.
We are not going to see anything in there.
Okay, let's pause for a commercial break again.